I'm Charlotte. I study level 3 music technology. I chose this course because it was really like the only option for me. Ever since I was little, I've loved music technology. So I chose Coleg Gwent because it gave me the option to do exactly what I want instead of just like generalizing it into music. The offer was really there to hone in on music technology instead of just music as a whole, and that's what I really loved. The best thing about studying at Coleg Gwent is probably the facilities, but also the tutors. The tutors are really amazing, and the support is always there. There's just constant support with basically anything you need. The thing I probably like most about this course is the studio. It's industry standard. You go in there and just everything is so like polished. We choose our own songs and then we record it and we mix it. And basically by the end of the year, you have like a whole catalogue of things that you've done yourself. So also at the college we have a Raven desk. It has everything, and especially with the way the studio is set up, everything is up to standard. I'd absolutely recommend Coleg Gwent to anyone who's thinking of studying, especially music tech, because the tutors are just incredible. It's all you can ask for, really. The tutors are lovely, the programs are completely up to standard, and we just get to play with the coolest stuff all day, every day.